Alright, so for this one, I did not mean to click on that, but let me start the question by reading what it's asking. It says, which table of values best represents the following verbal description? So the verbal description, I'm just going to go ahead and translate it right into Desmos, so then I can just turn it into a table and go from there. It says here, number y is equal to 9 less than, so 9 less than, so remember it gets switched, the square of a number x squared. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it into a table of values, and then we're going to plug it in. So negative 2 goes to negative 13, well, negative 5, negative 8, 9, and yep, that one right there. Okay, so again, what did I do? I translated it directly inside Desmos, and then I graphed it. Sometimes you might have it where it might say 9 less than the square of a number of x equals y. So if it has like equals y towards the end, this is a little complicated in Desmos because Desmos won't create a table for you. If this is a situation, just plug it in the front and then you'll be able to turn it into a table. Okay. All right. That's that. So for this one, which graph best represents the verbal description? Okay, same thing. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here. 4 increased by, so 4 plus the quotient division of a number x and 3 is equal to y. So something like this. If I had a table of values for this, then it won't allow me to do it. So then I would have just put the y in the front and then I can do a table. But this one's not really asking for me for a table. It's just asking me to graph it. So it goes through 4 and what else? Goes through like negative, let's see, 4. It looks like it's this one. Okay. Which graph best represents the following table of values? So I see a table. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in Desmos. So it's a quadratic. They all have quadratic, but it looks like it's kind of here, this one. That's about it for that. Which table of values best represents? Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. I don't think I will be able to turn this into a table of values because it's not y equals 2. So then how am I going to do this? What I can do is I can go ahead and plug in each table this time and see which one goes through them. 2, 0. Well, it's definitely not that one because it's not even, all the points have to match, right? So this one already is in. I'm going to erase that. Negative 6. Yep. Negative 9 over 2. Yeah. Negative 3. Beautiful. 3 over 2. And 0. There it is. And that's that. That's the topic of basically you're taking equations and either graphing them or turning them into tables. All right. Thanks, guys.